Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Continue to see the clouds decrease as we move into the late morning into the afternoon hours today. However, we will see continued deck of upper level cirrus across the region that will keep us mostly cloudy in general for the afternoon hours today. We'll have an additional system moving through our region tomorrow evening, and that will provide us with the possibility of some winter weather across the Mid-Atlantic region. Looking at our sounding this morning, we have a freezing level at 9,300 feet. We have winds out of the northwest and north-northwest and fairly breezy in the low levels from 1,000 to 3,000 feet, around 30 knots. And we see our winds becoming more southwesterly to west-southwesterly, above 6,000 feet up to 25,000 feet this morning, with a peak wind at 93 knots at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we have a cold front that's currently south and east of our region that will stall over the coastal Carolinas today. Did have a few rain showers in the region this morning. Those have moved out of the area, continuing to move off to the east. We'll have a high pressure built in today from the west, and that will provide us with a cooler air mass moving into the region. We'll have downsloping flow off the Appalachian Mountains today. That will allow us to see temperatures warm into the lower 50s for the afternoon hours. Looking at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we have that colder cloud tops on the IR imagery this morning, indicating those upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. Seeing a deck around 8,000 feet as well over the region. That'll move out of the area to the east and to the south for the afternoon hours, and we'll just see this residual upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region for the afternoon hours, and we should see some mostly clear skies move into the evening hours today. A quick look at the radar this morning. You can see we have those rain showers or drizzle move through the region, continuing to move off to the east, just a scattered or isolated variety of some sprinkles off to our south. We should be done with the rain today as of now, with just those cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions for the rest of the morning and the afternoon hours. Looking at the 3 kilometer NAM model and how that will look for today. This is at 9 and then 10 o'clock this morning. Looking at around noon today, seeing that rainfall off the south and to the east, just some lake effect snow showers well off to the north. We'll move into the overnight hours. We'll see clearing skies, fairly nice conditions overnight. It will be cold though, temperatures in the 30s to 20s across the region. And then for our Thursday morning, we'll start to see some precipitation in the form of rain and snow showers off the southwest across North Carolina. It's going to be moving towards our region, and this is the 3 kilometer NAM model. Starts to bring in some snow showers just south of the Wallops area around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and then builds it in after 1800 local or 6 p.m. tomorrow, and that will continue through the evening hours into the early overnight hours with a band of snowfall across the region. See the northern extent of this snowfall on the 3 kilometer NAM model is across Wicomico County, and locations south will be seeing that snow. This system will provide us with sharp gradient of snowfall accumulations across the peninsula, with the most expected across the southern portion and the least expected across the central portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, with hardly any snowfall should occur across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Moving into Friday morning, we'll just see cold conditions as that area low pressure off the south moves away from our region, giving us clear skies and temperatures in the 20s across the area. And Friday we'll see mostly sunny skies across the area as high pressure really builds into the region, and with a cold Arctic area of high pressure in control, we'll see temperatures in the 30s. Looking at the European model and how it is modeling this system for Thursday, you can see that cold front across the Carolinas, the area low pressure developing along that cold front. Models have trended farther north with the precipitation shield for Thursday night into Friday, and that has provided us with a chance of some accumulating snowfall across the Wallops region for Thursday night into early Friday morning. And by Friday morning, for any commute, we should see just mostly clear skies, cold temperatures in the 20s. And then for Friday afternoon, as I mentioned, we'll have that high pressure in control. Saturday and Sunday looks like a very nice weekend with high pressure in control, moderating temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. Taking a quick look at the European ensemble mean for the snowfall. This is one of our most trusted products we use for the snowfall accumulation, as it takes into effect all the ensembles and provides an average around a ½ inch in Salisbury, around 1 inch in Melfa. This has been trending up and will continue to monitor the next several runs as the event comes closer. Looks like right now we're forecasting about 1 inch to 2 inches here at Wallops, but we'll continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as we get closer. For our high today, we'll see around 52, a low tonight around 31. We'll have north-northwesterly winds at 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 20 knots this afternoon, and we'll see those winds calm down to the north at 5 to 10 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see those clouds around 8,000 feet really start to erode. Once we get to noon, we'll just see some broken clouds around 10,000 feet with that cirrus continuing across the region. And then for the late afternoon and evening hours, we'll see mostly clear skies. And then we'll see an increase of cloudiness once again overnight, with a scatter deck at 15,000, broken at 18, and overcast at 25,000 by Thursday 8 local. Our tides are normal at this time, and looking at Thursday through Friday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies in the morning on Thursday, becoming mostly cloudy overcast during the afternoon with a chance of snow showers by late afternoon and early evening. We'll see a high of 39 degrees. Looks like that snowfall really should start coming in after 0Z, about 7 p.m. on Thursday, so only a yellow for our precipitation on Thursday and a yellow for our ceilings. Thursday night, overcast with a chance of snow showers through early overnight. Snowfall accumulation of 1 to 2 inches possible here at Wallops. There's a possibility we see a little bit more south of the region, and could be seeing much less across Salisbury and points north, and seeing a low of 24 degrees. Precipitation, we'll see an orange, as well as our ceilings within that snowfall, bringing those ceilings down and visibility down under a mile. And our winds will become gusty after that system moves through, possibly up to 25 knots overnight. And for Friday, we'll see mostly sunny and cold conditions, breezy winds early, high of 37 degrees, and we'll see those winds possibly up to 25 knots during the morning. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have those mostly cloudy conditions for today in general, with the skies clearing in the afternoon. See that PM snow for Thursday, that system moving to our south. As I mentioned, the confidence in this forecast is not all that high right now, as we do have a sharp gradient in the snowfall accumulations across the models, and those models are differing in where that accumulation will occur. But right now, looking at 1 to 2 inches, seeing that high around 39, and then seeing a low Friday morning of 24 degrees. So if we do see any snowfall that sticks to the roads, it will remain icy for Friday morning. Friday afternoon, seeing a high of 37 degrees, and we'll have mostly sunny skies, so any snow we do see should melt on Friday afternoon. Saturday and Sunday, we'll see temperatures moderating into the 40s and 50s, so it looks like a beautiful weekend. Mostly sunny skies on both days, and then we'll see some unsettled conditions move back in for early next week, with rain likely on Monday, especially in the afternoon, and Tuesday morning. And we'll see those temperatures I mentioned in the mid-upper 50s for both Monday and Tuesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.